Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be talking with Paul Lipsky. He is a eBay dropshipper and he's a dropshipping master. He knows everything there is to know about dropshipping. My name is Jay. Karen's on the camera today, so she's not in the video, but she's behind the camera. And we are the Thrifty Flamingo. We talk a lot about reselling and Poshmark and just reselling in general. So we're going to bring in this video today and give you another avenue of reselling that's going to help you make some money online with almost zero capital, right, Paul?
Right, yeah.
So
very little to get started with.
Very little to get started with. It's a great tool to learn and have in your arsenal. So let's jump right into it. So why don't you tell them a little bit about what dropshipping is exactly?
Yeah, definitely. So eBay dropshipping, what I do is I find an item on another website like HomeDepot.com or Walmart.com. I literally just copy everything, paste it into eBay as a listing. Once it sells, then I buy it, and not before. So then I buy it, and instead of shipping it to myself, I ship it directly to the customer. And obviously I mark up the price so that I can profit.
And how much profit are you making on a daily sale, or on average?
Each day, obviously it's up and down a little bit, but I make at least a couple $100 or a few $100s a day doing this.
Cool.
Profit.
So how do you find the products? Where do you find products to ship with? Do you do research on them, or what do you do to find these products?
Yeah, I do a lot of research. There's some software you can use, and you can just also go into eBay, find other people who are selling items, and see what's popular, what's selling, and then try to find those items on these other retail websites like Walmart, Home Depot, and then I sell those items as well.
So you do the same thing. You like study the sold listings, and you find out what's selling good, and you go and you find those products on those websites, and then you ship them directly to the customer, right? So there's no, you don't have to hold any inventory or anything like that. There's no products that you have to hold on to. So you don't need storage space or anything. So
yeah,
it's really great. You can really get started with drop shipping with very little capital, and you can get started with very little space. I mean, Paul lives in a 500 square foot apartment in New York City, and he's making, how much are you making a month? Let him know.
It's around $10,000 a month.
It's making 10 grand a month profit just drop shipping alone. How incredible is that? It's such an amazing thing. We just learned about it here for the first time, and there's even some tools that you talked about that make the process all automated, right? So that they upload the listings. And why don't you explain that a little bit?
So I said how you have to copy and paste everything over. There's a tool that actually do that automatically. You don't even have to copy and paste. Especially helpful with the pictures, because then you don't have to download the pictures to your computer and then re-upload them. It's all automatic for you. And once it does that, it's now connected your eBay listing with the item on like Walmart.com. So if the price increases on Walmart, it's also going to increase the price on eBay as well, so that you don't lose money on the sale.
That's awesome. Are there limitations to how many items you can list per month on eBay? I know there's limitations to what you can list, and there are ways to increase those numbers already.
Yeah, I mean, if your sellers are familiar with eBay at all, they're going to know about these limits. You know, whenever you start an eBay store for the first time, they're going to cap how many items you can list, just because they want to make sure that you're a legit seller, you're going to fulfill your orders. But as long as you continue to process your orders, get the tracking numbers uploaded, then eBay likes that, and in a month you call them, and they'll increase that limit for you. So
when you list these products, do you list them in multiple quantities, or you just list one at a time and be like one and done, or how do you do it? Do you list?
Yeah, I go in and usually I'll set aside a few hours and just list as many items, good items that I can find in a row.
Okay. And you list quantities. I mean, what I'm saying is, do you sell multiple quantities of one item at a time, or do you just have one listing per item and you're done?
I see what you're saying. I think I know what you're saying. So with drop shipping, as long as the other website like Walmart has the item in stock, my eBay store has it in stock. So I'll sell an item once and then twice, and then it'll keep selling. I have items that I've sold hundreds of times, and they're still, and I've only listed them once. It's continually list itself by the way I set it up in eBay. So I listed it once, and it's continually making me money.
So if you find a popular product that'll sell, you'll be able to sell multiple products in a day, maybe even, and of that same product.
Yeah.
So research is key with this. You got to do your research and learn how to drop ship and what products to drop ship with. But once you get used to it and get rolling, the sky's the limit for profit. I mean, this guy's making 10 grand a month in profit just drop shipping on eBay. No overhead, no capital to get started. All you got to do is pick a product, list it, and go. So it's a really awesome thing to learn. If you haven't already, check out his YouTube channel. Why don't you shout out your YouTube channel real quick?
You just find me by searching for Paul J. Lipsky. It's Lipsky. It should come up. Or search for Paul eBay Dropshipping. I'm sure I'll come up under that one as well.
He's on that channel all the time. He does a live video every week. He's putting up videos every week, and they're all about dropshipping. Or do you talk about anything else?
It's all dropshipping right now.
All dropshipping. That's great. Not only can you do this on eBay, but you can do this on Amazon, and he's working on getting some videos uploaded on Amazon dropshipping. So there's another spot you can do dropshipping for selling as well. So it's not just eBay, but you can branch out into other areas and really hit a home run with dropshipping. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Just a little bit about a different way of reselling and how to use eBay to your advantage, and to maybe look at things in a different kind of perspective and get a different way to get products and inventory into your store. So if you've loved this video, if you liked it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. We put out great content like this daily and weekly. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.